Once, a man pointed a tube of glass at the sky and changed the world. Before him, we relied on stories passed down through history. After him, the world became a series of mysteries we could test. This is the story of Galileo Galilei, born in 1564, known today as the father of modern science. His ideas were so revolutionary, they still power modern medicine and the rockets that take us into space. In the world before Galileo, the words of Aristotle and ancient authorities were considered the final truth. People believed the Earth was the center of everything, surrounded by perfect, smooth, heavenly objects. They thought the sky was an unchanging place where nothing new ever happened. But Galileo had a superpower. Instead of just believing what he was told, he measured nature for himself. He watched pendulums swing and noticed that motion follows regular, predictable rules. His motto was simple: don't just argue about it, test it. In a moment of curiosity, he aimed a new invention, the telescope, at the night sky. In 1609, he improved this tube of glass until it became a powerful scientific instrument. His first discovery was the moon, which he saw was covered in mountains and deep valleys. He realized the moon wasn't a perfect gemstone, but a rugged world with texture just like our own. Then, he looked at Jupiter and saw 4 tiny lights dancing around it. These were moons orbiting another planet, proving that not everything in the universe revolves around the Earth. He observed the phases of Venus, providing the evidence needed to show that the planets move around the sun. In 1610, he published Starry Messenger, so the whole world could see what he had observed. His ideas led to a famous clash in 1632 and 1633, resulting in a trial and a life under house arrest. Galileo's legacy changed how we decide what is true. If something is real, it can survive being tested. Here's the real legacy of Galileo. He didn't just change what we know about space. He changed how we decide what's true. For kids, be curious and check your ideas. For adults, don't outsource reality to confidence, tradition, or loud opinions. Galileo's message is simple and timeless. If it's true, it can survive being tested. And that is how modern science begins.